For today's lesson, we will discuss about percentiles. Let's start with percentiles and group data. So when you say percentiles, divides set of observations into 100 equal parts. Then each set of data has 99 percentiles. For example, we have let's say 20 sample data or observation. Let's have 10, 12, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 28, 30, 31, 40, 42, 46, 48, 50. And then 60, 62, 65, 70, 80. So for example, we have this sample data or observations. So as you will notice, this is already arranged from smallest to biggest or ascending order. So that is one of the requirements. If we are going to use ungrouped data, we need to arrange the sample data or observations into ascending order. Now, the question is, we are going to find number 1. Let's say we have P of 10. Number 2, P of 30. Next, let's have P of 70. Then next we have P of 95. So the meaning of this is we will look for percentile 10, percentile 30, percentile 70, and percentile 95. So through this sample data. Okay, so we have here the formula that we are going to use. We call it a set percentage. So this formula is using n times C over 100. So C is the sample data, and then C is the desired percentile. So the result of this, or the value of this, n times C over 100 is the value of P of C. Let's solve now for percentile 10. So the requirement is you are going to find first the location. The same in quartile and group data, we always started at finding the location. So in this lesson, percentiles and group data, to find the location, we will use the set percentage using this formula, n times C over 100. So let us use that. The value of n is equals to 20. So that is the sample data, times C is 10 over 100. Then 20 times 10 equals 200 over 100. Then is equals to 2. So you will notice that this location, this is the second observation here, or the second in the rank data. So it's an integer. If it is an integer, it means that we will add 0.5. Then the P of 10 now, P of 10 is between the second and the third term or third elements. So we have now P of 10 is equals to 12 plus 16 divided by 2. So 12 plus 16 is equals to 28 divided by 2. The answer now is 14. So therefore, P of 10 is equals to 14. How about number 2? P of 30. So first, find the location using this formula. N times C over 100. So our N is the same 20 times C is 30 divided by 100. So 20 times 30 equals 600 divided by 100. So 600 divided by 100 is equals to 6. Then 6 is an integer. So if it is an integer, just add 0.5, so it will become now 6.5. Then it means that if it is 6.5, the sixth term counting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the sixth term. So since this is an integer, so we added 6.5, we added 0.5, so it will become now 6.5. So it means that the value of P30, percentile 30, lies between the 6th and the 7th term. So that is why the formula is 22 plus 24 over 2. Then 22 plus 24 is equals to 46 divided by 2 is equals to 23. So this is the value of P percentile 30. So take note, class, if the location is an integer, always add 0.5, then the value of percentiles will be in between of the two elements. For example, in number 1, we got 2 is an integer, so it lies on the second and the third. Okay, third elements here. So we added 12 plus 16 divided by 2, so we got 14. How about number 3? So for number 3, first is find the location. We're looking for percentile 70. So 70 times 20. So 20%. We will follow that formula. So 20 times 70 over 100. So 20 times 70 equals 1,400, then over 100. So the answer is 14. So the 14th term, we will count here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is the 14th term. And then since this is an integer, so we are going to add 0.5. So it will become now 14.5. So meaning P of 70, percentile 70, lies between the 14th and the 15th term. So we will use this to 48 plus 50 over 2. So 48 plus 50 equals 98. So 98 divided by 2 is equals to, okay, so let's use the calculator. 98 divided by 2 is equals to 49. So P of 70 equals 49. Okay. Then how about the last number 4? So P 95. So for number 4, 20, first look for the location, 20 times 95 over 100. Okay, so 20 times 95, so equals 19. So 19 is also an integer, so we will add 0.5 or 0.5, so it will become 19.5. So the 19th is here, 19th term, so meaning P of 95 lies between 19th and the 20th term. So 70 plus 80 over 2. So 70 plus 80 is equals to 150, then divide by 2 is equals to 75. So P of 95 is equals to 75. Okay, so this is all about percentiles using Ungrouped.